Let me show you guys how I make money while I'm sleeping. Real passive income. The method is fully automated and can be set up in under an hour. It has been used by millions of people to generate passive income. In this video, we will use ChatGPT, Writer.com, and some other AI tools. ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool based on GPT 3.5 that allows users to have human-like conversations with an AI chatbot. It can be used to write product descriptions, YouTube scripts, generate content, create AI art prompts, and even code. With ChatGPT, you can automate your content creation process and save a lot of time and money. Yeah, maybe even this video script is generated by ChatGPT. You wouldn't know. Now to start off, you'll need to create a free account with ChatGPT. Once you sign up, you will be directed to the main page where you can start using the tool's features. The first step is to choose a blog topic related to your niche. For that, you will have to do some keyword research to find low competition keywords in your niche in order to rank on Google. And this is where asupertools.com comes in to help. Asupertools.com is the best free SEO tool to find low competition keywords. Now go ahead and create an account on this website. After creating an account, click on SEO and select the keyword research tool. Now enter your niche keyword. For example, let's say weight loss. Then select I'm not a robot and click search. And after a few seconds, this free tool will provide you with a list of keywords with their search volume, competition, and CPC. Now pick up those keywords that have a high search volume but low competition. This weight loss tips keyword, for example, has low competition but a high monthly search volume. So copy this keyword and create an article around it with the help of ChatGPT. For that, go back to ChatGPT and simply type in list of blog topic titles related to, then paste your niche keyword and press enter. And after a couple of seconds, this tool will generate 15 different topic ideas related to your niche. Now, if you want to get more different ideas, you can click on the regenerate response button or just simply type in tell me more. Now, the second step is how to get your blog outlines. For this, select any one of these titles and type an outline of blog post for the following title, then add your chosen title and press enter. After a minute's ChatGPT will automatically generate an outline for this particular title. The third step is to figure out how to get your outline content. For this, simply copy the first part of this blog outline and type in provide the blog section of this outline. Then paste the first part of that outline and press enter. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will automatically write the introduction of your article. So just copy all of it and paste it in a new Word document file. After that, go back to ChatGPT and type this in, provide the blog section of this outline, then copy the second part of this blog outline and paste it before clicking enter. After that, just copy all of these, go back to that Word document and paste them there. Now repeat the steps for all the remaining outlines to write a full blog article. After creating a full blog with ChatGPT, it's time to convert it into a human-generated blog if you want to rank it on Google, because Google doesn't like AI-generated content and it won't let it get much attention. With this AI tool, we can check out any quoting to see if it's AI-generated or not. It is called Writer.com. As you can see, it can tell that our blog is generated by an AI. But don't worry, there's another AI just to solve that. Copy all the text, go to Google and search for DupliChecker Article Rewriter. Click on the first website, scroll down and paste the whole content in the text field. After that, tick I'm not a robot before clicking on rewrite article. Now, after a few seconds, this tool will automatically rewrite the whole article. So just copy all of the rewritten content, go back to that Word document and paste the rewritten article there. Now, after that, it's important to check if the blog is truly human generated or not. For that, copy a few lines from your blog and head over to Writer.com. Paste the content in the text field and click on Analyze Text button. The tool will then provide you with a percentage of how human-like the content is. Ideally, you want the content to be at least 90% human-like to pass as truly human-generated. Once you have a human-generated blog, the next step is to publish the blog on Medium.com. Medium is a popular blogging platform that can help you reach a wider audience and gain more visibility. This is a 100% free and worldwide available platform. Next, add multiple affiliate links to your blog to earn more commissions. To do so, you can use Medium's built-in link insertion feature, which allows you to add a link by highlighting the text you want to link and clicking on the chain icon in the editor toolbar. Paste the affiliate link in the URL field and your link will be ready to go. And if you want to know where to get the affiliate links, check out the video. I will put the link in the comment section. Once you've inserted the link, the text you highlighted will become a clickable hyperlink that directs readers to the destination URL when clicked. This feature is a simple and user-friendly way to add affiliate links to your Medium blog posts. Now, if anyone clicks on this link, you'll earn commissions. When publishing a blog on Medium.com that includes affiliate links, it is important to disclose this to your readers. You can do this by adding a disclaimer in your bio at the top of your post and within the body of the post. It's important to note that Medium has a built-in audience, and you can leverage that audience to get more views on your post. Medium also has an algorithm that helps surface high-quality content for its readers, so it's important that you make sure your post is well-written and informative. Now for the next step, all you have to do is add 5 blog topics so readers know what your article is about. Let's say, for example, weight loss tips, weight loss foods, weight loss program, weight loss tips at home. After that, click on the Publish button, and as you can see, our article is finally published on medium.com. Now, the next step is to drive traffic to your blog. There are various ways to do this, but one of the most effective ways is social media promotion. Share your blog post on various social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to reach a wider audience. Also, if you are serious about achieving financial freedom, you could perhaps subscribe to the channel. And if you liked the video, please leave a comment to help me to provide more content that will help you achieve financial freedom.